Welcome! In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to import real estate property listings into WP Rentals using the WP Ultimate CSV Importer Pro plugin. If you're managing large sets of property data or migrating from another platform, this is the fastest and most accurate way to populate your listings. WP Ultimate CSV Importer is a powerful data import plugin that supports custom post types, taxonomies, and custom fields, making it an ideal choice for WP Rentals. WP Rentals stores property listings as a custom post type called listings, along with several metadata fields and taxonomies. Let's dive in and see how to import data into listings in WordPress. Previewing the CSV file. Before we begin the import, let's take a look at the CSV file prepared for listing data. This file contains a single listing. Let's walk through the columns. First, I've included some post-related fields like post title, which holds the property name, and post content, which holds the property description. I've also added other essential fields like excerpt, post date, slug, author, post status, featured image, and more. Next comes the property-specific field, including property gallery, guest number, address fields like street, city, state, zip, and country, featured status, affiliate, private notes, instant booking settings, booking form settings, property pricing fields like price per night, weekly and monthly pricing, cleaning and city fees, security deposit, early bird discounts, extra guest pricing, and more. You'll also see fields for check-in/checkout hours, video embeds, virtual tours, property size, room and bathroom counts, policies like smoking or pets allowed, latitude and longitude coordinates, agent details, and filter options such as property category, city, area, features, and status. Preparing for import. Make sure your data is clean and consistent before importing. Each field in your CSV will be mapped to a corresponding WordPress field or taxonomy. If you're unsure what values to provide for any field, just create a sample listing manually in WordPress, then export it using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. That way, you'll get the exact format needed for each field. Importing the listing. Now, let's walk through importing this data into WordPress. Go to your WordPress dashboard and open the CSV Importer Pro plugin page. Upload your CSV file using any of the available options. Here, I'm selecting Upload from Desktop. Once the file is uploaded, select the post type estate_property from the drop-down. Make sure Fresh Import is selected since we're importing new data. Click Continue. The plugin will analyze your CSV file and prepare it for mapping. Choose Create New Mapping to begin creating a new mapping template. Mapping fields. Now it's time to map each CSV column to the correct WordPress field. In many cases, the fields will be automatically mapped if your CSV headers match the field names in WordPress. You can review and edit the mappings as needed. Use the drop-downs to manually select the correct fields, or switch to drag-and-drop mode for a more visual mapping experience. Be sure to map all the custom fields under the Listing Property Fields widget. Don't forget to map the taxonomies like property type, status, city, area, and features as well. If you want to import only certain records, try the filtering options to apply conditions based on your data. You'll find a link in the description that explains how to use import filters in more detail. Once mapping is complete, save it with a name so you can reuse it for future imports. Then click Continue. Final import steps. Before importing, you can configure advanced options like rollback support and iteration-based import. But for now, let's proceed with a standard import. Click Import. Once completed, a summary pop-up will appear with details of the import, including a downloadable log for any skipped or failed media. Verifying the result. Let's check the results by opening the newly imported listing in Edit View. As you can see, all the data, including property details, taxonomies, and media, has been imported successfully. Wrap up. And that's how easy it is to import listing properties into WP Rentals using WP Ultimate CSV Importer Pro. Save time, reduce manual work, and keep your real estate website dynamic and up to date. Subscribe for more tutorials on mastering WordPress data imports. Thanks for watching.